Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back doing another trade. Actually, two trades during the Asian session. It is July the 26th, and it's around 9 p.m. in the night. And I notice, as you can see in the bottom left corner here, the yen is very strong. So I pulled up my favorite two pairs, which is the pound yen on the right, euro yen on the left. And I took the trade on each one of them, which was approximately at 9 p.m. What I'm going to do is I'm going to manage it as I see fit. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet, but I followed the rules of the pip trigger, and I may let this one ride through the night, as it has potential to drop a lot more than 20 or 30 pips. I looked at the higher time frames, and everything is a go, looking pretty good. So all we can do is we can just keep an eye on it, but I'm not going to stay up too late. Less than an hour. I'll either close the trade if I feel like I got enough pips, or I'll close out half the lots and I'll put my stop to plus a couple of pips and turn off the computer, and I'll wake up in the morning and see how it goes. Anyhow, at the moment I'm up over 500, almost 300 on the other one, so if I was to close right now, it'd be excellent trading, but I see potential to do even better. So anyhow, just keep an eye on the trade over the next 30 minutes to an hour and just manage it. That's about all you can do. Okay, I'll report back one way or the other as this trade moves along. Forex Nelson is back. I'm still in this trade, keeping an eye on it. It did do a pullback. That's just the way the market moves on both of them. I was doing well and it went back. Actually, I was losing in this area, and now I'm back to winning again, and is trying to break this bottom. There is a level of support here, even on a higher time frame. So I'm hoping it's going to break the bottom. The yen is at 9.7. It's very, very strong, so I'm thinking it should break it. And the euro and the pound is weak. So that's why it's the yen, almost 10, 9.9. So it'll just give a surge and it'll break through. This arrow will move over, and this arrow will move over if it breaks it. There. Did you see that? It just moved over. Same as this one over here. If it breaks this bottom, this arrow will move over. I'm just going to keep an eye. It's all going on 10 o'clock. I don't like to stay up too late. I'll either close the trade down or I'll manage it. Anyhow, I'll report back shortly. Forex Nelson is back, and it's getting a little bit late. I decided to close the trade on both the euro yen and the pound yen. And I know it can keep going down, but in the morning I'll look at it again and maybe I can get back in it again. Anyhow, I'm a day trader, only looking for 10 to 30 pips, which I got. Combination of both of these. As you can see down here at the bottom, 630 and 1135 for a total of 1765. So I'm happy with that, and I don't want to wake up in the morning and give everything back, which happens quite often. Even if you're going with the trend, sometimes it does a huge pullback, and all the profits you made, you just give it back to the broker. Learned my lesson a long time ago, so now I'm just aiming for 10 to 30 pips, and that's good enough for me. So anyhow, I'm going to wrap up this video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This just goes to show you that you can trade the Asian session, so don't let anybody tell you you cannot make pips and money. Like, especially if you get in a little bit at a higher price up here. That's 30 pips right there. There's your pullback. That was your trigger to get in right there for 21 pips. So trading these two, you can easily get 50 pips. That's a base, and then I use my meter. Don't forget the meter, very important here. Euro's gaining some strength here. That's why this is starting to go up. And pound is getting weaker. It was at 9.9 if you remember. It dropped by 2 points here. So anyhow, don't forget, if you want some free tips and tricks, you can call me directly or email me or Skype me. Look right below this video. You get all my information. Just get in contact with me, and if you do Skype, I can show you a lot more on the pip trigger through Skype screen sharing, and I do that for free. So don't be shy, just Skype me, and I'm willing to help you with your trading. Okay, until the next trade, good luck with your trading.